Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red Joy-Con, one of the most versatile gaming consoles ever made. Product link is in the description below. The Switch is built to combine handheld portability, docked TV play, and multiplayer fun in one package. The design is iconic, featuring a compact tablet-style console with detachable Joy-Con controllers in vibrant neon blue and red. Engineered for versatility, the Switch can be used in handheld mode, docked to a TV, or set up in tabletop mode for local multiplayer. The Joy-Con controllers support motion controls, HD rumble, and flexible play styles, making it suitable for solo gaming, couch co-op, or party sessions. The build quality is solid, with Nintendo's trusted craftsmanship ensuring durability and reliability. Performance is where the Switch shines for its category. Equipped with a custom NVIDIA Tegra processor, it delivers smooth gameplay across Nintendo's exclusive titles and third-party releases. Games like The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, and Super Smash Bros. Ultimate showcase its ability to provide immersive experiences both on the go and at home. The 6.2-inch display offers crisp visuals in handheld mode, while docking enables full HD output to a TV. Battery life supports several hours of portable play, making it ideal for travel and commutes. Usability and convenience are highlights. The Switch supports physical cartridges and digital downloads, with expandable storage via microSD cards. The Joy-Con controllers can be used individually or combined with the grip for a traditional gamepad feel. Wireless connectivity allows online play, while local wireless supports multiplayer with nearby consoles. The system's intuitive interface makes navigation simple, even for new gamers. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with Nintendo's trusted design philosophy, the Switch is engineered for long-term use. Its blend of portability, efficiency, and fun aesthetics makes it a smart investment for gamers of all ages. Use cases are broad. For families, it's a shared console with multiplayer fun. For travelers, it's a portable gaming system. For enthusiasts, it's the gateway to Nintendo's exclusive library. For casual players, it's approachable and easy to use. In summary, the Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red Joy-Con combines handheld portability, docked play, and multiplayer versatility in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.